In this quick guide video, let me show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. Whenever you add in music, as you can see, I've added into mine, and whenever someone visits your profile, they will be able to tap on this music and the music will play. So if you also want to add this to your own Facebook profile, let me show you how it's done. So from this profile section, all you need to do is tap on the three dots, and after you do, from this section you just need to tap on the search option, which is the second to last option. If you tap on it, under shortcuts you'll see music. Just tap on the music option, and to add in new music to your profile, tap on the plus icon on the top right. From here, just pick the music that you want to add in. To play the music, just tap on this play icon, and if you like the music, to add it, just tap on it. Once this tick appears, you can head back. Now to add it to your profile as well, tap on the three dots right here besides the music and tap on pin to profile. Now the song has been successfully pinned to your profile on Facebook, and if you head back, you can see the music now has been added. You cannot add in more than one music to your profile. You can only add in one. Now when someone visits your profile, they can easily view the music or listen to the music that you've added in. So that's the exact way of adding in music to your Facebook profile. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.